don't want any of this. See, we got 1, 2, 3.
8.
Yeah, because like the first 8 rows will probably be ready Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
This stuff is
I thought
ready.
they said over there on the end of the.
Well,
Okay.
that may be, because there's.
Cause see, it's too small.
Yeah, down here's still little yet, ain't it?
Yeah.
I thought we got some down out of here the other night.
You guys pick already?
Oh, just picking to look to see what there was.
Yeah, that one. See, it's ready. It's too small. Needs to have a dry like this.
Yeah, there we go.
This needs step on the weeds. Don is harvesting and just taking a video.
Yeah, but we don't have all these weeds. We don't have the raccoons
That's
that
good.
Tracy has.
Yeah. This one is ready. No, that's too small.
Yep.
Guys, it needs to have a dry, what do you call that?
Oh, a dry crown.
Yeah. Dry crown so we can pick it. In case. This one, oh, look. This one is ready. And it's easy to harvest it. That's what Dawn and I harvested. Well, Dawn mostly. This one is ready. See that? I think your stuff is full. There's another one here. See, when it's ready, it's easy to pull. This one here, this side. This is the first corn harvest we got, and the first, I think, when did we planted corn? I think April or May? I don't know.
Yeah, early April.
Yeah. So that's what we
That's enough
got
for this one.
so far. Dawn got this one. Guys, so Dawn is over there. And I'm gonna go over there to just help him. This is corn here that he's trying to harvest. We harvested a while ago, and so now we're just trying to get 3 dozen. This is, here you go. So yeah, here. See that? See, there's more here.
Yeah, there's.
I'm just trying to. See, he's almost have a bucket full. It is over here. There's over here, look.